Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make toaster strudel in an air fryer. First, ensure your air fryer is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy exterior. Next, carefully place your frozen toaster strudels in a single layer inside the air fryer basket. Remember, do not stack them. Giving each strudel enough space ensures even cooking and a delightful texture. Now, let's get cooking. Set your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook the strudels for an initial 3 to 4 minutes. During this time, you'll notice the pastry beginning to puff up and develop a lovely light golden brown hue. There's no need to thaw them beforehand. Simply place them in frozen, and the air fryer will work its magic, saving you time. After the initial cooking, it's time for a quick flip. Gently turn each toaster strudel over using a pair of tongs. This ensures both sides achieve that desirable golden brown crispness. Continue air frying for another 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know they are perfectly done when the pastry is beautifully puffed and golden, and the delicious fruit filling is thoroughly warmed. Once your toaster strudels are perfectly cooked, carefully remove them from the air fryer using tongs. While they are still warm, grab that icing packet and generously drizzle it over each pastry. The warmth will help the icing melt and spread beautifully. Serve them right away to enjoy that irresistible combination of a crispy, flaky crust and a warm, sweet filling. Enjoy your delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.